Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is our family. Today we'll be making roasted peanuts, and we need raw peanuts for this. I bought it from Chinese store here in Canada. I love peanut a lot, and if you're a peanut lover like me, come on, let's do this. First, we're gonna pour water in a bowl. It's gonna be normal temperature water. Depends on the quantity you're gonna make. Just make sure it's gonna cover the peanuts. Now we're gonna pour all the peanuts into the water. And we're gonna add salt for taste. And we're gonna stir it gently. We're gonna stir for like 2 minutes to allow the salt to get into the peanuts. Now we're gonna drain the water with this drainer right here. Now we're gonna pour it in a pan and allow it to sit for about 10 minutes before we put it in a hot pan. We're gonna spread it so it can dry quickly. Now we can go ahead and put it in a hot pan and roast it. I already heated the pan with low heat, and we're going to maintain low heat for best results. We're going to toss the peanut continuously on a low heat to ensure even cooking. Now it's ready. You can know when it's ready by the color change, the smell, but the best way is to just pick up one and try to peel the back. If you can peel the back quick and you taste it is a little bit crunchy, then you know it's ready. Now we're going to gently peel off the back and it will be ready. Now we're done peeling up the back and it's ready to eat. This is the final result. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe for more awesome videos. To our returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. God bless you all, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.